I'm a master's in data science and analytics student from College of Engineering in FAU. I did very well in my first semester. After meeting everyone, I got 4 GPA in my first semester. Yeah, then my professors were so good. Even not only the administrative part, but the professors here are so good that if you try to communicate them, they are always helpful. Whether it is in terms of your academics or in terms of your assignments, projects and everything, they have their own office hours with this cater that hour especially to the student. If student goes there, try to communicate, professor are always helpful. And most of the to be honest, most of the engineering department professors are like internationals, and they know how the student feeling is, so they are doing their best. They host good events to welcome students in the department. They bring so many projects, so many communities like Google Student Developer Clubs, so other clubs, so to make a student get busy in joining different clubs.